Is your computer running slow? Are you feeling lag and latency while playing your favorite games? Do you want to know why is your PC running slower than before? Here is the answer. It happens because of unreleased cache and standby memory. Standby memory is a page of physical RAM that is not actively used. When writing a series of frequently used information in the memory area, the programs and services running on Windows 10 will use part of RAM as cache. The cache should be released and made available after executing programs and services. Sometimes, however, the cache may not be deleted due to some bugs. When the bugs occur, the data stored in the cache memory stays in a permanent waiting state, becoming inactive memory or standby memory. What's worse, too much standby memory can slow down your computer. This is because Windows will be forced to use the paging file on the hard disk, which should be avoided, especially on an SSD drive. So, it's necessary to clear the standby memory timely. In this video you learn how to clear cache memory and standby memory timely with the help of a script which is called empty standby list. The program will run in background and it can automatically clear all the cache and standby memory. So just watch the complete video and get rid of unnecessary cache and standby memory. There you can see on my PC more than half of memory is reserved by cache and standby memory. Open your browser and search for empty standby list. Click on the first link. And download it in your PC. Open search menu and search for Task Scheduler. Open Task Scheduler. Click on Create a Task. Name the task. Click on Run whether is user logged on or not. Click on Change User or Group. Click Advanced, click on Find Now. Mark System and click OK. Check Run with high privileges. Select Windows 10 configuration even if you are using Windows 11. Go to Triggers tab, click New. Check Repeat Task and set it on every 5 minutes. For a duration of indefinitely, click OK. Now go to Actions tab, click on New, and select the program. Click OK and now you'll see a new task in Task Scheduler library. Now close the Task Scheduler and run the Task Manager. And now you have to wait for 5 minutes, and after that you'll see the cached memory and standby memory will be cleared. You can see difference between after and before running the program. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.